Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students of class 5. Again I am here for your new topic, for the same topic, LCM, least common multiple, and today I will present method number 2. Okay, in previous lecture I have done method number 1, the number separately, but in method number 2 I will do like this. See, now here we are having question, find LCM. Okay, the first number is 56, other number is 196, and we will class we will find out their prime factors and will multiply them to find out LCM. Okay, first of all you will see that both numbers are even number, that's why we will use the smallest factor, because the smallest factor 2 is 2. By these two numbers are divisible by the smallest factor 2, and I will again split 56 into 5 and 6, and it will be easy to divide by 2. And now 2 to the 4, one number is left, we will carry 1 to make it 16, then 2 8s are 16, 28, then 2 28s are 56. Clear? Next number is 196, and we will split the number into 19 and 6 to make it easier for you and to make it easier divisible by 2. Now 2 9s are 18, and one number is extra to carry on 16. Okay, then it will become 16. Now 2 8s are 16. Now again both numbers are even and can be divisible by 2 again. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now the next, it is also even and we can split the number. 2 4s are 8, one number will be carried on 8 to make it 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay, now can you see one is odd and one is even number? Okay, in case of LCM of method number 2, we can do like this, that 2 7s are 14, but the next number is not divisible by 2, that's why we will drop down this number as it is 49, because it is not divisible by 2. That's why we will drop down this number as 49. Okay, now these both numbers are divisible by 7. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 7s are 49. Now again 7, we will drop down 1 as it is, and now 7 1s are 7. Okay, we will keep dividing till the number become 1 and 1. Okay, we will keep dividing to make the last number as 1 and 1. Okay, now we are having these factors which we have to multiply to find out the LCM. Okay, we will enlist here 2 2 2 7 and 7. As you know, it is method number 2, and simply we will multiply these all. There is no there will be not any common factors, but only you have to multiply them. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 8 7s are 56, and 56 7s will be 42. 4 carry 35 plus 4 39. You will have 392 as LCM. Okay, again I will tell you, it is the second method of LCM. Okay, in second method we will divide these both numbers together with prime factor. Okay, and we will keep dividing the number, that the answer should be, that till the end answer should be in 1 and 1. Okay, then we will stop dividing number. After carrying the question till 1 and 1, we will multiply these all factors to find out the LCM. In B part now we are having, in previous question we were having 2 numbers, but in B part we are having 3 numbers to divide to find out the LCM. Now again, can you see these two numbers are even, but this one number is odd. But it's okay. We have to multiply by 2. Okay, this number is not divisible by 2, but we will drop down this number as it is, as 45, but only we will divide these both numbers by 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 0. Now 2 7s are 14, and one number will be carried to make it 10. Now 2 5s are 10. Now these two numbers are divisible by 3, but we will drop down this number as it is, because this number is not divisible by 3. We will drop down this number as 10, and only we will divide these both numbers by 3, because in case of LCM it's not necessary to divide all numbers by prime factor, and we can also divide 2 or 1 number by the prime factor, and the number which is not divisible by prime factor, which we can drop down the number as it is. Okay, now 3 1s are 3. We'll split the number. 3 1s are 3. 1 will be carried to make it 15, and 3 5s are 15. Now again we'll split the number. 3 2s are 6. 1 carried to make it 15, and 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now these all are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Now again we will use 2. 2 1s are 2, and we'll drop down these both numbers as it is. Okay. Now next 3 1s are 3. 1 we will drop down 1, and 3 1s are 3, and 5. Now we will use 5 common factor. We will drop down these both 1, and 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now can you see all numbers are 1 here? All are 1. Okay, we have to carry question till 1. Okay, now we will enlist these factors here. 2 3 5 2 3 and 5. Okay, now we will multiply these all. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 30, 32s are 60. Okay, then 60 3s are 180, and 180 5s are 500. 5 8s are 40. 4 carry 5 and the 5, and 900. Now we are having LCM as 900. I have told you we were having method number 2. In method number 2 we have to take all numbers in one step. Okay, and we have to carry question till all ones. We have to keep dividing the numbers to carry questions till 1. Okay, after that we have to multiply the factors to find out the LCM. After multiplication we have to we get the LCM. It's the now final answer. Okay, now you can do the other questions independently, and inshallah we will meet again with a new and next topic. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.